It's hard. 16 years of work. But my husband is alive and safe. My pet is safe. My kids are safe. So we're all safe. So that's more important than the stuff.
It was so dramatic and just so visible, and it's what everyone is talking about, that hopefully it sheds some light and some attention on how serious of an issue this is, the fact that we're only going to see more things like this in the future, and that it really is time for immediate and substantial action.
Deadliest wildfire in over a century. We surveyed the damage from the air as well. The devastation is overwhelming.
The ocean did literally save my life, and I can't wait to go back to it. I have no fear of the ocean. I thank God for the ocean that day.